Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about Swagbucks, and I have some payment proof I want to show you that I did receive my $5 PayPal cash gift card from Swagbucks. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified if I upload a new video. And I'll be leaving a link to where if you guys decide you want to sign up with Swagbucks, I'll leave the link below where you can go and sign up with that app. Okay, so here we are. And I'm logging into my Swagbucks account. And as you can see, I have 133 Swagbucks. Yesterday, before I cashed out, I had 633 Swagbucks. Now, the way that I do that on here is I do surveys. Right now, there's a limited time of surveys, and you guys really should. A limited time bonus on Swagbucks surveys that you guys should really take advantage of. Because I did like a survey that was worth, 5 points, and then I did one with 40 points. And that was able to bump my balance up for me to be able to withdraw my $5. So like I said, what I do on Swagbucks is I do the surveys, and I also do the Hideout TV. Now, if you guys are interested in finding out how to redeem your Swagbucks or where to go to redeem, this is where you go. Okay, so these are all the gift cards. And if you guys remember in the last video, I talked about if you wanted to find a different amount, a specific amount for your gift card. If you want from 1 to 5, you just click on that. $10, $15, $25, $50, $100 and up. Okay, so here you have these gift cards, which they have Visa gift cards. And right here we have PayPal. Now, you can get Amazon, PayPal, $25. You get 2,500 points, you get $25 to PayPal. Now, $5 is 500 Swagbucks. That's not, like I said, $5 is not a lot, but, I'm going for $10 this round. When I do withdraw my Swagbucks again, I'll be going for the $10. And then eventually I'll go for the 25. Like I said, I'm the type of person that comes on the site and I do the work to get the Swagbucks so I can redeem my points. Well, like I said, you can watch videos on here, you can search, you can play games, you can do your daily poll, you can do the daily goal, you can refer your friends, and you can take surveys. And when you disqualify from the survey, if it doesn't have bonuses on it, it's going to be 1 point. Sometimes it'll give you higher points, but most of the time you'll just get 1 cent. So right now, I have 130 Swagbucks, which is equivalent to $1.33. Once I get to 500 Swagbucks, I can cash out a $5 gift card again. But right now, I'm going for $10. So that's basically it for Swagbucks. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about that. And now I'm going to just take you to where you guys can go to sign up for Swagbucks and other sites as well. Okay, so here we are on my website where you guys can sign up with not only Swagbucks, but you can sign up for Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel is the first get paid to site I started with. And here you can come here and you can click the join button if you want to join Prize Rebel. Survey Junkie, I have cashed out 9 times on Survey Junkie. I've earned $90 with Survey Junkie. You can come here if you want to sign up. Also, if you make an account today or create an account whenever, you'll be able to redeem at $5 because starting September 16, 2019, you were able to create an account. Anyone who created an account on September 16, 2019 and after would be able to redeem at $5. So if you've done that, you'll be able to redeem at $5. And I have a Survey Junkie account that I can redeem at $5 as well. You can sign up with branded surveys. There's a video here talks about, I tell you about branded surveys and how I make my money on it. You can click join branded surveys and it will take you to the site. InstaGC is a great site. You can click to join InstaGC and Swagbucks is at the bottom. You can watch the video and join. You can click join Swagbucks. Make sure you watch the video in its entirety so you guys can understand how the site works and what you can do on it to earn your points to cash out to your gift cards. Okay? So this is the site I created for those of you that like Prize Rebel, Survey Junkie, branded surveys, HGC, and Swagbucks. Because YouTube will not allow me to post my Swagbucks link no more, so I've created a website that lets you guys go there. And if you want to sign up with Swagbucks, you can just come here. And I'll leave a link to this website below in the description. Come here and you can click and join Swagbucks from here. And I put my referral link in the Swagbucks button, and you'll be able to go there and sign up with Swagbucks. So I'll leave this website link in the description below, and you guys can sign up there. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to take you guys over to my PayPal account so you can see that I got paid from Swagbucks today. Okay, so here we are on my PayPal account. And this is my PayPal account. As you can see, I've earned $5 from Swagbucks. And it says the reward store because that is what Swagbucks is referred to as, the reward store. And that's how I get my money. And I can easily transfer my money if I wanted to right now, which I'm probably going to do. So yeah, this is how I make my money, you guys. I do the surveys on Swagbucks because the surveys are not hard to do. They're very easy. And all you guys will have to do is understand how surveys work. Surveys take patience. They take time and energy and focus. You have to focus when you're taking the survey. You have to pay attention to the questions they ask you because sometimes they repeat the question. And they're looking for people that can answer the questions without any issues. So I just came here to make this quick video, show you guys I got paid from Swagbucks, $5. And I'm going for my next $10, 1,000 point Swagbucks for $10. And I will show you guys that when I get to 1,000 points on Swagbucks. Alright, hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care, you guys.